Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create web Chrome extensions using AI. So open any browser and then type in Cursor AI and then open this link and then sign in or download for Windows. After you sign in or download, you just ask Cursor AI to write a code for the Chrome extension. After it finishes and you test it on your computer and everything, you go ahead and open a new tab and then search for Web Chrome Store Publisher. And then you open this link and then you follow the instructions to publish your extension, and that's it. And then you can use it on your Chrome, and other people also can find it and use it on their Chrome, but you have to know that it may take few time for Chrome to test your extension before launching it live, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.